homies. Well, Jesus, and then maybe some other homies that, you know, I might meet. I might see some TSXs and shit. I might show y'all. Maybe not. Maybe, you know, we'll see when we get there. Vibe it out. Got the car all detailed up, inside and out. Shit looking nice. Feels good. Smells good.
Ugly ass car.
Alright, y'all, we made it. We actually found a little bit of a parking spot down the way, you know, just right over there. So, yeah. Oh, TSX is right over here, man. Little TSX, you see the blue one down over there, looking good. They got room. Let's go say what up. Where's my guy?
Good.
Ooh, hand drive, looking cool in there. Smells good.
Straight from Japan, mister.
Smell like that fresh car smell still. Nice. Right-hand drive Civic. Honestly, like, I don't even know what model it is, to be honest. I gotta get my game up, you know? Clean. Oh. So like I said, we got a couple TSXs here. That is nice blue CO2. Nice blue. Can't go wrong, blue. These Genesis are nice too, man. They're super clean. You already know Jesus. Looking good with the lift kit. Love my Hondas too, you already know. And whole lot of TSXs, y'all. Whole lot of TSXs. White on blue looks good as hell. I just never got to do it. Never got to do it, man. That looks good right there. That looks good right there, yeah. A lot of blue TSXs here, man. It's nice. Got the CL9, you already know. Yeah, those are some nice wheels. I like the color. Different. Homie got me passenger princess. It's Billy.
Are you letting you go out too? Is it Danny Duncan?
On the boys. The Charger. I think that's the one we potentially seen.
That shit just goes through them bumps.
What's going on, guys? It is your boy Rish and my girl
Ali.
And today we are just gonna be doing kind of, I guess, a day in the life-ish kind of style. I gotta go to Harbor Freight, grab a couple of little things. As always, I want to remind you guys of what savings we can provide with you. With Heel Toe, we have a 5% off discount code RISH. It's been like that for a long while now because they are a partial sponsor of the channel. Well, of the white TSX build, and I guess maybe a little bit of this build too. Anywho, also, if you're looking for exhaust on Heel Toe, the Fast Time Performance 3-inch single exit that I have on this car, we have a code RISHFLP3. It's gonna save you like 40 to 50 bucks depending on if you get the resonator or non-resonated. Go check it out. If you guys want an exhaust, you've been watching my videos, you've been hearing it, you've been liking it, now's your time because you're gonna save some money now other than any other time. So we made it to Harbor Freight. Yeah, it's busy. We were supposed to get a compressor because there's a lot of deals going on right now. I was gonna get their Fortress 27 gallons to go check it out. The McRaws also have some good deals. Are they even showing the deals right now? Oh yeah, see. So 20 gallon, that's a really good deal right now. But I was gonna get this one, but then a homie commented on my Facebook post. He was like, "Hey man, I got a 30 gallon you could borrow." So I'm just gonna do that and buy the supplies and get myself set up and then go from there. Well, yeah, a lot of people get this spray gun from Harbor Freight, but I don't know what that compressor's CFM is rated. Regulators, I'm gonna need some shit like these, but I'll figure that out when the time comes. I just gotta get the car all set up already. All right, so we got a couple things. We got a couple extra things that all these are extra things, but tack cloth is always needed. I didn't know they actually had more. Now we gotta go find where the hell the microfiber is. Ooh, gloves while these are on sale. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is it.
Man, you see how fast this piles up of things that you don't intend on buying. Ooh, that purple jacket look nice. They be coming out with some fire colors.
What is that?
A GoPro.
That's
Nice
pretty neat. Okay, 50-51.
Hurts the heart.
For two things and grab a lot
Always
more.
happens.
It's always the case. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. I mean, savings are savings, right? You gotta buy some things while it's half off.
The mat is really, that makes sense.
Like, 'cause I just want to be able to cover maybe the engine or like the windshield when needed.
Yeah, definitely windshield.
Be able to cover extra things because we have the other one occupied. Hey, all you people. Hey, all you people. Just hold on, I gotta adjust my clutch.
I like how it feels out. Like, it looks crazy, but it's like, I like the vibe.
Shit slow as fuck, boy! Yeah! At least you're having fun though, right? That's what it's about. It's all about having fun, man. If you're enjoying your car, it puts a smile on your face. You love the sound of it, and that's all that matters, man. But someday, you know, we're gonna be faster with the white TSX, so you know, just gonna have fun in the car I love.
Someone just spent their money to be pissed off.
Let's set up our little workstation over here. Yeah, feel me? Bunch of shit. Now I gotta get to it, some things. So she's gonna start the sanding process up. Well, I messed with the intake because I was trying to do that yesterday, but I just didn't have the right couplings or anything set up. Because I want to try to get a bigger intake piping on. I know that, you know, I have the stock intake manifold and throttle body set up, which I do want to get an RBC J37 throttle body, which I do have my RRC and ZDX throttle body, but you know, this one, she always like, why are you always taking away from that car, and then you're not gonna put it back, and then you're just gonna leave it. But I mean, like, there's a little bit of sense to that. Everything's like, it's a cycle, you know. a deal is gonna pop up that I'll be able to, you know, put on that. When I go boost that thing, might not even want the RRC or need it.
Alright, so do whatever you want.
So don't tempt me with a good time right now, because I'll start pulling all these shit up, right? I just have to go find everything. First, I'm gonna mess with this intake and see if I can get this. And we got our motivational support right here. Right, Sky? Yeah, cute girls. So we actually are able to make something work. It's not, you know, cold air intake, one would say. So I do have to end up rerouting this stuff somehow, get some more piping and kind of figure out some bracketing situation. Just kind of still have to get into that and do some like ducting, so get like the airflow going that way, which I know the homie Uppbeat CO9 makes some sort of 3D printing things through this, and it does some like airflow projection through there. Look into that. This part is not as ideal because this thing is long as fuck, dude. I don't know. It's long as shit. Yes, it's still gonna be an Amazon return. So gotta shorten this down. Had it all set in stone, and then the sensor didn't reach. So hopefully it'll reach now. We'll see. Whoa. Yeah, my shirt is off because it's hot. It's Florida. You know, we out here. Instead of cutting the coupler again, I decided to go into this harness a little bit and kind of just break this sensor free, and then just wrap it up with a little bit of electrical tape. Now we got all the length we need without any tension. So I had to keep cutting that down, and it just gets all stupid. So yeah, now we could get it all together and said and done. Okay. So we got the intake setup done. We went from this to this. A nice match up with the red, well, even though it's like different colors, but I feel like it's gonna give us a different sound. So we're gonna be grilling, you know, with this sorry ass little portable grill. We're gonna put it on a table and just grill it up, you know, you feel me? But yeah, so we got groceries and some other extra shit, and fucking shit, everything's like fucking expensive. Little fucking stupid ass portable little thing. They didn't have the one we wanted with the stand and bigger, but yeah, I mean, we got something for now. It's gonna cook. Shit, y'all like our little grill setup? Sheesh. Them fat ass burgers and some glizzy dogs. You already know, man. We vibing. Yeah, look at that. You know, we're just cooking it up, chefing this shit up. Think I have to cover it. Yeah, let's contain this heat now. Cover this jaw. Have that open. Yeah, get to cooking. You feel me? I've actually never did a grill with the charcoal like that before. I'm not eating them.
You don't eat glizzies? Just a vibe, just you and I.
I don't really do mustard.
But it's good, right?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Oh, you gonna try? Yum.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This burger is pretty damn good. Cooked it just a little longer than I wanted to, but better safe than sorry. This thing is a hefty unit, but it's tasty. So we have this nice pier boat dock area. It's not busy right now, so it's a good time to post up. It's windy as shit today, y'all. The car is extra dirty and dusty because hella pollen out. Hella pollen season. So this is where you go and you be ballsy enough to park over here to get like the water shots, and then you sit over there and get those views. I'ma jump, y'all. I'ma jump. Man, so this is like the perfect area to do what I was intending to. Fishing, chilling, like just beautiful, man, right by the water. So that area that we were just at, they have a lot of spacing and parking, and I was thinking about like to throw a little bit of a meet, get together, cars and coffee type of vibe or something there, because it's a public spot. I mean, and if no one acts fucking stupid or whatever, I don't see it being an issue. And if you guys want to bring your fishing shit, you know, fishing cars, coffee, and fish. Sounds like an awful combo. Fish and coffee.
Yeah.
I was gonna do a pull for you guys, but in a second you'll see why I'm not. Yeah, he just letting people out of church.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.